ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते हरिः ओम्.
That which we call the outer world is perfect. This which we call the inner world is perfect. Each one filled with divine consciousness. Perfect comes from perfect. Take perfect from perfect. The remainder is perfect. Divine consciousness is non-dual. Anything that emerges from the divine consciousness is whole, is complete, is Purna. May peace and peace and peace be everywhere. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवा.
Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Purnamada. So as you all know, we are going through season 2 of Purnamada and this is our episode 3 and episode 4 which will come up tomorrow. And Purnamada is a series of real-time past life experiences which has been shared by all MAM's clients and students likewise who have gone through past life experiences in their lifetimes and they've seen the transformation. So Purnamada, when you go through Purnamada series, not only will you be bedazzled with the, what past life has to offer, but you will be, in awe to see how people have changed, how they have overcome their fear, their anxiety, how they have found their life path in the making. And today, with this story, yet another story today, we have with us Dr. Tripti Jain, our mentor, coach, and those of you who still think they need an introduction with ma'am. Ma'am has been a leading past life therapist in India. She has been working as an occupational therapist and past life therapist for the last 20 years. And she has transformed a lot of, around 7,000 people who have been with her, and she conducts her workshops not only in India but abroad in London, Dubai, and all these places. So today, along with ma'am, we have been transformed by her, and that is why we get this place today. To I get this privilege here to host the show for her. We have another guest with us. She's Anushka Kapse. Anushka belongs to Bombay, and Anushka is an engineer by profession, and she is into fire and safety. And Anushka has also founded an NGO 5 years back. Not only that, she has been practicing PLRT, Akashic Records, Reiki, and alternative healing modalities. She is also a spiritual coach and a published author. We'll be hearing about Anushka and her journey, and yes, her book, which is yet released, which is just released this year, which is called Droplet. So, welcome Anushka to the show, and
Yeah.
we'll start the show now.
Hi Anushka, how are you
Hello,
doing,
ma'am.
Anushka and
I'm
Abhilasha, my dear? Welcome.
Anushka,
Uh,
Anushka, with this, I would like to now ask you, since your book has just released and the name of your book is Droplets.
Yes.
So, can you talk about your book and,
yes,
tell us more?
absolutely.
Yes. Basically, the name of book is droplets. Why droplets? Because they are very tiny, tiny, tiny. तो जब ड्रॉपलेट्स ऐसे स्काई से जब ड्रॉपलेट्स स्टार्ट होते हैं पड़ना तो हम इमिडिएटली समझ जाते हैं कि अभी बारिश होने वाली है एंड वो सोच से ही हमारे अंदर एक होप एक कुछ तो ऐसा फ्रेशनेस आ जाता है कि तो इट इज जस्ट दैट वन ड्रॉपलेट विच इज नीडेड फॉर यू to inspire or to get motivated or to hope. So I thought in this particular book there are 18 small chapters जिसमें मैंने कोशिश की है कि जो भी हमारे आजू बाजू के जो थिंग्स है स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग उसमें से विजडम बिकॉज नेचर इज द बेस्ट टीचर उसमें से मैंने जो भी विजडम मैंने आई कुड सी एंड वो मैंने रीडर्स को पहुंचाने की कोशिश की है because I wanted to convey them those things कि it's not that spirituality is something different than your life, which are, the worldly life. It's very much part of it. Like a lotus, lotus will bloom when sunlight will fall on it. For the blooming of it, sunlight is needed, लेकिन it has to be grounded in that mud, जहां से वो ऊपर आ रहा है. सो अगर हम लोग वर्ल्डली मर्ड अगर देख रहे हैं कि ये वर्ल्ड जो माया जो जिसको हम तो बोलते हैं ना, अटैचमेंट, इल्यूजन्स एंड ऑल दैट, बट दैट इज हेल्पिंग अस टू ब्लूम माय इनर लोटस दैट इज नीडेड. एंड अगर मैं चैलेंजेस या जो भी मेरे हमारे इन लाइफ व्हाटएवर चैलेंजेस वी फेस, if we are running away from it, your lotus will never bloom, because these challenges are given so that you will twist and turn yourself and you will try to find out the solutions. And when your search for this will start, then only your inner knowing or inner true self है, that will start coming out. So definitely you have to accept the challenges. और फिर उसमें से आप you find your own truth, because everybody's truth is different, although it is pointing to the same source, but the ways are different. So in this 18 droplets मैंने अलग-अलग इसमें से किसी ना किसी को कुछ ना कुछ तो I mean there is something for everybody.
Beautiful.
And yeah.
So you have the cover of your book. I mean, you have the book. You said it's on Kindle.
Yes, because this book is released as an ebook in India and as paperback and ebook in US market. But in India, this is my book for the audience.
Beautiful.
This is called, and you can see the cover. It's a lotus.
Yes.
The droplets are falling
Lovely,
on that.
lovely, Anushka.
Because my message is that the seed is in everyone. The source from सबके अंदर वो सीड है, लेकिन ओनली हैंडफुल ऑफ इट वो सीड को फुल्ली ब्लूम करके, जिनको हम एनलाइटन बीइंग कहते हैं. अगर हम लोग मिलियंस लोगों में, देयर विल बी हार्डली हैंडफुल ऑफ पीपल हु आर कॉल्ड एनलाइटन बीइंग, although the same seed is there in every one of us. The difference lies that some people, they go out of their comfort zone and go take efforts to find the truth. And we
Absolutely.
others, we be in our comfort zone living and enjoying worldly life. We can definitely enjoy that, but with the awareness that the ultimate truth is that this life is given. I'm with the awareness, if I'm living this life, then you can enjoy everything. There is
Very
nothing
nice.
जाना है हिमालय में and मुझे सब छोड़ छाड़ के रिनंसिएट करना है. You have to go out of your comfort zone. अगर मैं कंफर्ट जोन में रह के कर रही हूँ तो नहीं मिलेगा. You have to really allow life to twist and turn yourself. It's like a Rubik cube. मैंने वो मेरे बुक में लिखा है. जो
Yes.
Rubik cube करता है, जब तक आप उसको ट्विस्ट और टर्न नहीं करेंगे वो फुली फॉर्म होगा ही नहीं, in its perfect shape. और अगर
Lovely.
आप तो वो वैसे अनसॉल्व ही रह जाएगा. सो योर लाइफ इज लाइक दैट. अगर आप नहीं अलाउड कर रहे हो ट्विस्टिंग एंड टर्निंग, तो योर लाइफ यू विल ऑलवेज रिमेन इनकम्प्लीट. तो अगर वो कंप्लीट करना है, सो प्लीज अलाउ दिस ट्विस्टिंग एंड टर्निंग और जो भी चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, प्लीज अलाउ इट टू हैपन टू यू.
So,
बेसिकली इट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. अगर
Yes.
चैलेंज आ रहे हैं ना, तो मुझे इवॉल्व होने की अपॉर्चुनिटी है एंड यू मस्ट ग्रैब इट.
grab it. Lovely, Anushka. So I want to tell everybody, allow the fires of transformation to burn away all that doesn't serve you. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं हमारे आसपास, but it doesn't serve us. So let it go. उसे जाने दो. Then only the fires of transformation will take place. And Anushka is a wonderful subject. Our guest today, really, I'm so impressed and inspired by her.
Thank
Okay, from a girl who studied in a Marathi medium to come forth, to move out of her comfort zone, to work with the children, okay, with the Adivasis, and create a huge transformation in the child's life. And then, of course, write a book in English and express herself so beautifully. Anushka, you are an inspiration. And I'm
Thank you.
sure everybody who's watching this episode is going to be inspired in some way or the other by your wonderful words. Abhilasha, any last thoughts
Yes,
from your
ma'am.
side?
So, ma'am, I mean, I'm too surprised because we have known Anushka as a friend we have always known her, but to understand the thought that went behind her, the entire life journey that got weaved together
Yes.
today. तो मैम इससे मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूंगी कि अनुष्का वेरी वेल सेड दैट देयर इज अ सीड इनसाइड एवरीवन. I think people are like Anushka was also waiting for her seed to germinate, and she found the right platform. She allowed it to germinate. मेन है कि एक राइट प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाना और दूसरा है उसको अलाउंस देना to allow it to bloom. So Anushka very well said that there is a seed inside everyone. And the second thought that I would like to summarize today for this show was that there is mud around us. Accept that mud and grow in that. That is the real growth. I'm not saying कि spirituality means कि सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के आप monk बन जाओ या पहाड़ों पे जाके रहो. That is not spirituality. Spirituality means accepting things around you. जैसा है उसको accept करो, live with that and grow in that, and that is what is called being spiritual. And I would really say that कि आज के शो से हमारे गेस्ट जितने हैं, हमारे गेस्ट के थॉट एंड मैम के थॉट को मिला के लोगों ने जरूर it has must have caused a shift somewhere in them also. Somewhere we never know what causes the source of inspiration. So to all our viewers, thank you so much for watching Purnamada. And yes, like with Anushka, tomorrow we'll come up with another episode where yes, I will be put under the scanner and I will be sharing my life story with you, my change and transformation for what happened. So stay glued and stay hooked to Purnamada for tomorrow. Thank you so
Yes.
much,
Thank
everyone.
you. Thank you, Anushka. And thank you, Abhilasha.
Anushka.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.